If you're an incident commander or help to manage any digital service, easy access to vital information and tasks is critical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the most out of xMatters dashboards to handle incidents, view on-call information, and see your most important data at a glance. So let's get started. At the heart of xMatters dashboards are widgets. Widgets can be customized to access frequently used tasks and display your most valuable information in real time. Let's take a quick look at this example xMatters Communication Center dashboard and see what each of these widgets does. Start Conference Bridge allows you to invite users into a conference call and then monitor the call's progress. Send Alert creates a new alert, allowing you to target the right people to resolve a problem. Devices takes you to the Devices section of your user profile, where you can add and edit the devices xMatters uses to communicate with you. My Schedule displays the details of your current on-call status, including how long you're on call for and when your next shift is. The Alerts widget shows you the current status of active alerts you have permissions to view. Users allows you to manage your current users and invite additional teammates to join xMatters. The Workflows Templates widget is a shortcut to the Workflows Templates directory, which helps you connect all of your tools with xMatters. You can move any of these widgets by moving your pointer over the top bar and dragging them around. And if there's space, you can drag the sides to make them larger. You can add new widgets using the Add Widgets button at the top and dragging the new widget into a free space on your dashboard. Edit or delete widgets using the gear icon that appears when you move your pointer over the bar at the top of each widget. You can change the options specific to each widget type, change its title, set a new icon, or customize colors. The Options dropdown allows you to rename your dashboard, share it with other users or roles, copy it, or just delete it altogether. Use the Dashboards menu on the left side to select between your existing dashboards or to create a new blank dashboard. If there are more dashboards than you can see in the dropdown, click Show All to see all of your dashboards. To start using xMatters dashboards to create a personalized incident response management center, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more content.